Want to know what everyone thinks? Create a poll on WhatsApp and get result in no time in just a few taps. But first, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to create a poll on WhatsApp. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open your WhatsApp app on your device. Open the chat or the group where you want to create a poll. In the chat or group, tap the attachment icon in the text bar. From the option, select poll. Type in your poll question in the text box. Add your first option by typing into the option. Then select add option to include more choices. Once you have added all your options, tap the send icon to share the poll with the group or individual chat. Anyone in the group or chat can now tap on their preferred option to vote. You will be able to see how many votes each option has received in real time. So this is how to create a poll on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.